We all know it. It's 9 p.m, you're exhausted, and your fridge is absolutely empty, and you're just about to order $25 takeout again. But hold on, what if I told you that in just 15 minutes and 4 simple ingredients that you probably have at home, you could make something that tastes like it just came from a fancy Italian restaurant?
Oh, that's so good.
And the recipe that I'm about to show you is like really simple, it's really tasty, it's really a feel-good meal that is just like super satisfying, and it's probably way healthier than if you order like burgers and fries takeout. But here's the catch, it sounds like something super complicated, it takes ages to make, but it's literally just 15 minutes and 4 ingredients. So let's get right into it and make it. Okay, it's gonna take a bit more time because I'm going to film this, but I'm gonna set the timer to 15 minutes and we see how long it takes. So I just randomly discovered this recipe on the internet, and it's actually from Naples. And for this recipe we need 4 ingredients. 1, that is the basis. Number 2, something that gives like this umami flavor that we want. Number 3, we want to add some spice. Number 4, something that really much connects all of it. So number 1, what we're gonna do, we take a big pot and fill it with water. We need boiling water, so we're just gonna put it on the stove, add a nice amount of salt and bring it to a boil. And we have to wait some minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna take a cutting board and a knife, and you need a really nice amount of garlic first of all. And trust me, you really want to be generous with the garlic, and the more basically the better. There's this hack from YouTube Shorts that sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't, to not make cutting garlic such a hassle. You first want to press on it with your knife and then start at the top and just peel basically the skin off, and sometimes it works and it's really quick. And it depends on your preferences, but I try to just cut it into really small pieces, but definitely it doesn't have to be perfect. We only have 15 minutes after all. Cut it into small pieces and leave it aside, and then we want to add some spice. So I basically have pepperonis at home already. If you do as well, then use these ones, but if you don't, then you probably have something spicy like chili flakes or so at home, and you can use this later on as well. But depending on how much you can tolerate, use a fair amount of chili as well. Like for this dish I will probably use 2 or 3 chilies from this one and cut it up into small pieces as well. And then, oh shit, let's see what the water is doing, and it's boiling already. We're just gonna put like 250 grams of spaghetti into it and let it cook for some 6-7 minutes. In the meantime, we take our garlic and chili that we just cut down and grab a pan and fill it with a generous amount of olive oil. And I'm just gonna add like 2 or 3, maybe 4 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan and heat it up. It's not that healthy if you heat up olive oil to a temperature that is too high, so we want to only heat it up to like a medium heat. Okay, let's have a look at the timer, and it says like just about 10 minutes left. Perfect. Alright, then we just want to put all the garlic and the chili into the pan with the olive oil and fry it for like maybe 1 to 3 minutes on medium heat, as I said. You want to be careful, you just want to fry it enough and not too much, because once the garlic becomes brown or like a little bit darker, then it tastes instantly, it's like more bitter, and we don't want that. So after 1 to 3 minutes, we take the professional noodle extraction tool, whatever it's called. Take a fork, try out how well done the noodles are. We just want them to be al dente. Then get out the noodles and then immediately add them to the pan with olive oil and garlic. So what does the time say? The timer says 5 minutes left, but it's gonna be tough. And just stir up everything and combine everything and let it fry for at least 5 minutes. Maybe increase the heat a bit. And this is the absolute pro trick. You want to add a generous amount of pepper and especially salt, because with too little salt this doesn't taste good whatsoever. So put a generous amount of salt into it. Maybe taste it in between and just stir everything up. Careful that nothing burns whatsoever, and just let it fry for some minutes. And there you go, I really much love this meal. You only need 15 minutes, only 4 ingredients that you mostly have at home. It is a great dinner after a long day. It's delicious as...
That's so good.
And I just love it. You don't need much experience, but I will just on screen show how much 1 portion of this will actually cost. It's way cheaper than ordering takeout. It's way healthier. It's way quicker even. You can make this in a shorter amount of time than actually ordering takeout. And try it out for yourself, and I think you will love it as well. But if you want to try out one of the world's healthiest recipes, then make sure to click on this video right here, where I review the blueprint diet by tech millionaire Brian Johnson in his quest to basically live forever and have the worldwide healthiest diet in human history. Spoiler, the meals are great. And besides that, thank you so much for watching, and guten Appetit!